ma'am.
Afternoon or please
Page number what, ma'am?
page number 26. Okay, let me share the screen.
Page number.
Now, all of you, please be quiet. See, we will discuss the question and answer.
Page number.
I will give you time to write. That time only you write. Ma'am will
Ma'am,
give
page
you time
number,
to write.
please. Ma'am, answer 33.
Muhammad Rishan, what are you telling?
Page number.
Page number 26. Now, all of you, please listen. Let us read the question. Now we have Naseem and Anish have money as shown below.
Ma'am,
How
that's
much money does each of them have? Okay, Muhammad Rishan?
workbook or textbook?
Workbook. Who has more money? You can see some notes and coins with Naseem and Anish. Okay, Muhammad Rishan, you got the workbook, page number 26.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, please listen, all of you. Please listen. No need to write now. So, Anish and Naseem both have money. We have to find out what is the total money with them, and we have to find out who is having more money. Okay. Now, let us see Naseem how much money with. So, Prarthana, please unmute others. Please be quiet. Now, let me write in Naseem here. No need to write now. Listen here. Now, Prarthana, please unmute. And tell me which are the note and coins with the Naseem. Which is a note? Rupees? 20 plus
20
what is it?
plus 1
Rupee 1.
plus 1.
Rupee 1. Tell me.
Ma'am, answer 33.
Rupees 5 plus rupees 5. See, any way we can add. You can use
Plus
numbers or you can use our vertical or column method. Now, all of you please listen here. See, there are more numbers to add here. But if it is a one-digit number, it is easy to add using fingers. But if it is a two-digit number, we can't use our fingers. We have to use the vertical or column method. Okay. Now, you please listen here. See, the first number is 20. Okay. Any way we can add 20 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5. Now, all of you please listen here. I will give you one easy method. If you can use that, that is enough. Which is the first number here? Now, let us add the first.
And right.
What is answer 20 plus 1?
And right.
No, listen here.
20 plus 1 equal to 21.
21. So, we got the number 21. Now, keep it that 21 in your mind. Which is the next number? 1. So 21 plus 1. Answer 21 plus 1.
22.
22. Very good. Now 22 here. Now plus 5. Now take all of you 5 fingers. Now 22. After 22, 23.
24, 26, 27.
The number 27. Now again one more 5. So again take 5 fingers. After 27, 28, 29, 30,
32.
32. Any way we can add. Here we got the total money rupees 32. Okay. Now let us see another method. Any method we can use here. Now let us keep this 20 there itself. Okay.
I'm right.
I'll wait just 1 minute more. Now listen here. See, rupees 1 plus rupees 1. What is the answer? Rupees 1 plus rupees 1. 2. Rupees 5 plus rupees 5. What is the answer? Rupees 5.
10.
10. Okay. Now, rupees 20 plus 2 plus 10. What is the answer? 2 plus 10. 10 in the mind.
In the mind.
We get 12. 12. We will get 12. So you can write rupees 20 plus rupees 12. Now let us add 20 plus 12. At one's place is 0 plus 2. What is answer 0 plus 2? 2. Tens place 2 plus 1. What is answer 2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 equal to 3.
So we can say rupees 32. Anyway, we will get the same answer. Understood? You can use your fingers or you can do like this. Anyway. Now let us see Anish how much money. Okay, Anish having what is the total money with the Anish? Now let me write the number name Anish. Now Sarah, tell me which are the coins and notes with the Anish? Which are the notes and coins with Anish?
33.
Rupees 20. Sarah,
33.
which is a coin?
Answer 33.
There is a note of rupees 20. Then rupee 1. 1. Then which is a coin? Rupees 2 plus
Rupee 2.
rupees 2 plus again rupees 2 plus rupees 5. Okay. Now you can keep this 20 there itself. Now let us add 1 plus 1. What is answer 1 plus 1?
2.
2 rupees 2 plus now we can add all the 2's. 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is answer 2 plus 2? Sarah? 2 plus 2. What is answer 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So altogether rupees 6. Now we have rupees 5 last. Now let us write rupees 20 there itself. Now let us add all the one digit numbers. 2 plus 6. What is answer 2 plus 6? 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 8. Very good. Now 8 plus 5. What is answer 8 plus 5? 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So rupees.
And this is right.
So we can write 20 plus 30. Okay? 20 plus
This is
30.
right.
Just 1 minute. Listen here. At one space we have 0 plus 3. What is answer 0 plus 3?
0 plus 3 equal to 3.
Very good. 10 space 2 plus 1. What is answer 2 plus 1?
2 plus 1 equals to 3.
Very good. So rupees 33.
33.
So who is having more money? Is it Nasim or Anish?
Anish.
Money?
Anish.
Anish having more money. So all of you please write answer. Anish has more money. Anish has.
Ma'am, right?
Yeah, please write. Anish has more money.
Right.
Yes, please
Dash.
write. Anish has more money. All of you please write answer. You can use your fingers or you can use the vertical or column method. Any way you can do it. Which one is
Rupee
easy?
20
That method you use.
plus rupee 1 plus rupee 1 plus
No big questions will not be there. You don't worry. We have to know how we will write the answers. We have to add money.
Rupee 5.
Anish has more money. Anish has more money.
Rupee 20. Right. Plus rupee. I'm right. 2. I'm right. Rupee 2 plus rupee 10. Rupee. Right. And down right.
Please write down. Please write down.
We have to begin. I'm finished.
Okay, good boy.
Rupee 20 plus
Rupees 20 plus rupees 13 is equal to rupees 33.
rupee 13 is equal to rupee 30 32.
Rupees 20 plus rupees 13 is equal to rupees 33. Anish has more money.
N-I-S-H. Anish. Rupee 20 plus rupee 1 plus rupee 1 plus rupee 2 plus rupee 2 plus rupee 2 plus rupee 5.
Anish has more money.
Rupee 20 plus
Yes, tell me, my dear.
Finish.
Those who have completed, just try to read question number 18, page number 27. Mute your device and try to read.
Bye. Rupee 2 plus rupee
മോന് മര്യാദക്കിരുന്നേ
6 Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, my dear.
complete. Ma'am, Krishna Priya complete.
Anish has rupees 33, Nasim has rupees 32. So Anish has more money.
Ma'am, Krishna Priya complete.
Okay, Krishna Priya, very good.
Ma'am, Nasim,
Tell me louder, Malavika.
Nasim, N-A-Z,
Anish has more money. Which one?
Nasim, N-A-Z.
N-A-Z-E-E-M. Nasim.
Okay, ma'am.
Megadarsh completed.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
So,
No, ma'am, complete. Not completed.
right, right.
Completed, ma'am. Completed.
So Nasim having rupees 32, Anish having rupees 33. So Anish has more money.
Ma'am Krishna Priya.
Okay, Krishna Priya, I saw the notebook. I saw the workbook. Very good.
Ma'am.
Marin, where are you? I can see only the chair. Ah.
Yes. I am here, ma'am.
You completed the answer? Aha, very good. Adel, very good, very good.
Ma'am.
Adel, very good. Please take page number 27.
Ma'am, Dhruva completed.
Very good, Dhruva, very good. Please take page number 27. Ah, Marin Justin, I saw.
Ma'am,
The
Hayan completed.
Ah, very good, Hayan. Very good, very good. See, page number 27 also we will do today, and page number 28 we are not doing. Some questions are not your own level. Some are no, means second standard level. So that page we will leave, and some questions we will do it in the revision time in the notebook. Okay. So we will do 27 also today, and next day in the notebook we will start our revision.
Ma'am, 20.
Let me go to 27, page number 27. The same I will forward in the group also.
No, ma'am. Not completed.
Please write. Please
No,
write here.
ma'am.
Please write. Please write.
Ma'am, complete.
Okay.
Ma'am, complete.
John Judy, write.
Not complete. Not completed.
Those who didn't complete,
Ma'am, completed.
those who have completed, please take page number 27 and try to finish the question. Question number 18. It's not a direct question, it's an HOT question, higher order thinking question. So we have to think and write answer. Please take a page number 27. Now we have,
Completed.
see, I will share the screen. Otherwise, we will not get time to do the next one. That also we have to complete. Then we will move to next day. We will start our revision in the notebook.
Mama, Ishan completed.
Okay, Aisha. I write first.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Aisha, please turn on your video. Okay, right.
Aisha completed.
Okay, Aisha, very good. So please take a page number 27. Others, please copy from the group. And we have question number 18. I will read for you. Arun buys a pencil box. Okay, Arun buys a pencil box. And what is the price or rate of the pencil box? It is rupees 30. So if he want that pencil box, he has to give rupees 30 to the shopkeeper. Okay. So Arun gives the shopkeeper rupees 50. It's more than 30, no? So actually the price of the pencil box is rupees 30. But he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. It's more. So this shopkeeper should give balance to Arun. and shopkeeper give rupees 20 as balance to Arun. And he gave us 2 notes. Rupees 20 he gave us 2 notes. And what is the question, you know? Which are the notes that the shopkeeper gave? Which are the notes? Total money rupees 20 he gave to the Arun. So he gave 2 notes. 2 notes. Which are the notes? Which 2 notes will make rupees 20? Which 2 notes which make rupees 20?
10 rupees.
10 rupee. Very good. That is answer. Prarthana, what are you doing there?
10
So
rupees.
Arun gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper, and shopkeeper gave rupees 20 to Arun, and he gave 2 notes. The question is, which are the 2 notes? So rupees 10. 2 rupees 10 notes will make rupees 20. Okay. So let us write answer. All of you please write answer. TWO. 2 NOTES. 2 notes. OF of rupees 10 makes rupees. Can you complete the sentence? 2 notes of rupees 10 makes how much amount? 2 notes of rupees 10. 2 tens make which number? 2 10 make which number?
Rupees 20.
Rupees 20. Very good. So all of you write 2 notes of rupees 10 makes rupees 20.
20 not
Notes of rupees 10 make rupees 20.
T.
TWO, 2 NOTES, 2 notes OF of rupees 10 makes rupees 20.
Ten. Completed.
Okay. 2 notes of rupees 10 makes rupees 20. Okay. We have practice questions. The same question we are repeating. We already done in the notebook. We done in the workbook beginning pages. Now we are doing again. Tell me. Pratana, your voice is breaking. Please tell me once again. Your voice is breaking, my dear. Okay, now you please listen. How are the following written in figures? And we have 1, A, 9 rupee. 9 rupee. How we will write in figures? TWO, 2 NOTES, notes OF of rupees 10 MAKES makes rupees 20. Okay. Now, how are the following written in figures? We have 9 rupee. How we will write in figures? We will
As
write
we put the symbol, then we write the number.
very good, very good. Put the symbol and write the number.
Put the symbol and write the number.
What about to be rupees 78?
We write
So put the symbol, write the number.
write the symbol and write the number.
Very good. Now see 65 rupees.
We write the symbol and write the number.
Very good. Put the symbol and write the number.
Ma'am, Anaya completed.
Okay, Anaya, very good. Good girl. Now, question number 2. Write the value of the given coin in figures and words. The same it is repeating. Adeline, can you tell me which is a coin? Identify the coin.
10.
Coin of rupees 10. So put the symbol, write the number. This is in figures. And in words means write the spelling. RUPEES. Rupees. TEN. 10. All of you right answer. Rupees 10.
Ma'am, Anaya completed.
Very good. Good girl.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am, you already completed.
Okay, good, good.
Ma'am,
good.
Malavika completed.
Okay, Malavika, very good. Johan Judy.
Completed. Ma'am, also completed. Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Okay, Maithili, good girl. Question number 3. Write the value of the given note in figures. Maithili, can you tell me the answer? The value of the note. The note. Maithili.
100.
Rupees?
100.
Rupees 100. Put the symbol, write the number. Rupees 100.
Put the symbol, write the number.
Rupees 100.
To buy. Ma'am, completed.
Okay, very good.
I'm completed.
Okay, very good. Now, question number 4. Which knot will you use to buy a t-shirt that costs rupees 100? So, one t-shirt, its price is rupees 100. You can see many knots below the question. Rupees 10 knot, rupees 20 knot, rupees 50 knot, rupees 100 knot. So, which one you will select?
Rupees 100 not.
Very good. We will select rupees 100 because the t-shirt cost is rupees 100. So we can select rupees 100. So please put a tick mark for rupees 100. Rupees 100.
Rupees 100.
We will select rupees 100 because the t-shirt cost rupees 100. So we can select the not rupees 100.
Ma'am, Malavika is complete.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, Dhruva completed.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, Anaya completed.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
you already completed.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
completed. Good. Ma'am, I
by this we completed the chapter. We completed all the notes, and we will write the revision notebook in the next class tomorrow. Okay. Now, next page have some more problems, but that is not your level. That we are leaving, and some are very simple that we will do it in the notebook during the revision time.
Bye, ma'am.
We have 3 chapters. That is subtraction, measurements, and money. Okay, subtraction, measurements, and money. Only 3 chapters. In the money chapter, we are adding numbers. So we have addition of.
Those who are completed, can I leave?
Tell me, my dear, once again.
Who are completed, can I leave?
Okay. Those who have completed, please close your work. It's enough. Those who have completed, please close your workbook and listen to us. So for exam, we have only 3 chapters. That is subtraction, measurements, and money. And we have revision test on Friday of chapter subtraction. And tomorrow we will start the notebook subtraction chapter. And what about this 1 year max? Who was it?
It is good.
Good.
Yes.
Yes. Is
Good.
it easy to study?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like mathematics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you are studying, if you have any doubt, you do one thing. You please message me. Okay.